Good day guys, Waldo with MFP, another project on the go here. Here we got a ATV with a backhoe, got hydraulics running from the rear, powering the loader that I manufactured for it, running underneath the frame to the front to the spool valve. Nice clean look with the hydraulic lines, with a quick connect bucket up front to allow different attachments. That's universal with John Deere's quick hitch. You can see plenty of power. You'll lift up the front end of the ATV. I'll show you in a video later. The loader is held on with about 8 U-bolts, and on the back it's an excavator. Here we got pepper right front dead center showing off, and I was actually really impressed with how well it worked. Mind you, I was only using it in snow, but it worked fairly well. The ATV does have super low, so it does give you good control over the throttle movement, and it's manual, so you can leave it in first. With the backhoe being quite a bit hanging on the back, you don't need a ballast. In fact, I will need to add some weight up front, so the steering capability will be a little nicer. The bucket does tilt a little slow, but it does give you that nice finesse control that you need. The pump does well, over 3,000 psi, only a 2 gallon a minute pump, but that's plenty for what is needed here. You lift about 4 foot 6 inches to the pins. I got a couple of pins, hooks on the front, so you can use a chain, as well as this unit has a trailer mover, as well as a grapple for moving brush. Here's a quick demonstration of the backhoe. It is a little finicky. The valve is a little oversized for the pump, but for the average homeowner, they'll be able to do plenty. That was on the ATV when I received it to build the loader for it. It's very neat. Be able to trench a lot of things, clean up a lot of debris, cleaning up edge of ponds, things like that. It would work very well for. You got quite a high lift. The swing goes full left, full right. Takes a little bit of finesse to get used to, but once you do get used to it, you can clearly see that I am not a backhoe or an excavator operator by any means. And here, just coming up to the end, I got a photo of when I originally picked that up from the customer. You're the part of the fab process. There's a lot of back and forth, trial and error, doing things for the first time when it's specialty work. A lot of times it is not pretty by any means, but the further you go along, the cleaner it comes out and you work your way through it. I'm very excited about this project. I'm very happy with how it turned out, and I think the owner of the unit will be extremely happy to get it back. Thanks for listening.